bought this old manure spreader for $250. It had some issues. You know, it's been sitting in a barn since 1972. Over here, the drive paws inside this hub were missing. I couldn't find any. You know, I looked all over the internet and called a few people. Nobody has any, so I just drilled a hole right through the shaft in the hub and pinned it. I mean, it works fine. It's not the way I'd like to do it, but you know, these old spreaders are hard to find parts for. Come around over here on the other side, it had a little idler wheel right here that was missing, and of course the chain kept falling off, so quick trip to Tractor Supply, bought a little wheel, and so far it seems to be holding up pretty good. The only other thing that was wrong with it was this little spring. Had to make a little spring for that little lever right there to catch. The original spring was gone, so I just made a new one, and that's now everything works. It needs a set of tires still, but all in all, it's functional. It'll do what I need it to do. So now we've just got to get some stuff here, get it loaded up, and try it out and see how it works.